In the meantime, I'm joined by one of our favorite legal minds and friend of the show, Dave Aronberg. He is the state attorney for Palm Beach County, Florida, so he deals with these kinds of decisions in a regular manner. So do you see these filings the same way I do? I'm a bit histrionic about it, but is it panic mode or is this par for the course?
Par for the course, Ashley. The lawyers are doing their jobs. At first, they said, we're going to waive our speedy trial and we need more time. And now they're invoking speedy trial. Now they're saying we want to rush it to force prosecutors to go to trial. And by the way, since we're rushing it, we can't do it in time, so you got to take the death penalty off the table. It's like, hold on, my head's spinning. You're like, they're saying they need more time, but yet we want a speedy trial. So they're trying everything and anything, and it's not going to work. Idaho's a conservative state. They even have the firing squad as an option if the drugs aren't available to put someone to death. So this case is going to stay a capital punishment case. Judge is going to give it the green light. And the thing is, it's not going to trial for another 10 months. So we're talking about at least 3 years since the murders till the trials. That seems like a lot of time to prepare to me.
So what's fast, and by the way, the firing squad, I think a lot of people don't understand that the firing squad is actually more humane in a weird way than the other methods that we have, because you're dead real fast and there's a lot less suffering. But it just seems so, I don't know, it seems so archaic to just line someone up and shoot them. But that's the plan, if it is one of the options. So as I understand Idaho law, in order to qualify for the death penalty, you have to have a couple of things, and that is that there's more than one murder, box checked on this crime, heinous, atrocious, and cruel. And don't know a worse way to die than being knifed to death in your own bed, in your own safety of your own home, and disregard for human life. Duh. How do you argue against that if you're his lawyers?
Well, what you try to do, and it's similar in Florida, is that you present mitigators. So what you just described, Ashley, are aggravators. And under Idaho law, the prosecution has to have at least one aggravator that is proven before a jury, that they go unanimously say, yes, this was heinous, atrocious, and cruel. And that makes him eligible for the death penalty. All you need is one aggravator. You mentioned 3. But then the defense could put on an unlimited number of mitigators. It could be anything. It could be his mother didn't love him enough. His mother smoked in the womb. That's actually one of the mitigators they put on for Nicholas Cruz, the Parkland massacre, Marjorie Stoneman Douglas.
Wow.
In Parkland, yes. So the defense has a lot more leeway to come up with any aggravators. And all it takes is one juror to say, yeah, I think the mitigators outweigh the aggravators, no death penalty, and then it's over. Then he gets life in prison.
Okay. So this has got to be a quick answer, but Kohberger's team is arguing that the death penalty is outdated, that it's cruel and unusual, and that they say this, that Idaho's 2 methods, we mentioned the firing squad already, and then also lethal injection, are, quote, inhumane and they violate constitutional rights. Haven't we been to that rodeo so many times in America already?
Yes, and good luck taking this to the United States Supreme Court with the 6-3 conservative majority. No chance. They're doing what they can because they're good defense lawyers, but this motion ain't going to succeed.
Wow. Yeah, I kind of figured, but you know what? She's good, isn't she? His lawyer. She's really good. I mean, I've seen good defenses before, but this one seems to hit every single thing. Like, I'm not seeing anything missed at this point. Are you?
No, they're trying everything. They're throwing everything at the wall, hoping it sticks. They have a tough job because there's a lot of pretrial publicity. This is one of the most notorious accused murders we've seen in many years, and they're doing their best to try to save his life. I don't think it'll work. I think he will get convicted and will get the death penalty, but they're trying their best.
And it'll take decades probably before it happens. But I just wish Ann Taylor would turn around, because I just keep seeing the blonde hair, and I'm dying to see her face as she makes these arguments, because she's been in court so often. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.